We're back for another blockbuster launch, and this time we are launching Email Force. Now, we always try to separate ourselves and really create products that solve pressing problems. Now, a lot of people really, they want to build an email list, but the problem is they don't know how to write effective emails. Well, this is where Email Force comes in. Email Force is the first worlds ever. We don't really see anybody else created something like this, but email copywriting software. It's going to convert really well. We actually tested it as a upsell sequence in our last launch, and it converted like crazy. So it's going to convert well for you and your subscribers. So let me just take you through it. This is the dashboard, very clean, very straight to the point. As you can see, they can save their answers if they answer things. They can, add users to this. They can save email sequences. So let me show you how it works. What I'm just going to do very straight to the point. It's very easy. I'm going to create a email script, and we have different categories here. So I can choose webinar sequences, high ticket, upsell, product launch. You have lead magnet, service, consulting. So we have pretty much every category. And I'm going to show you how cool this is. So I'm going to choose, webinar sequences. Now, it's going to actually take me over to where they can fill out the actual questions. Okay, so we actually really, focus on a lot of our tools are copy driven. So we have 7 sections here, which is all based on the avatar profile. So they're able to answer questions that are really going to spit out some really good scripts. So you have the avatar profile, of which it asks them questions like negative characteristics and different things like that. We wanted to make sure that we gave them a lot of questions so that they can fill in the answers for them, and it creates really great email copy. So the USP framework, okay, pain point, okay, questions, dream and solutions, and then it asks them different things about their offer, what's their call to action, and then the wrap up section. So I'm just going to choose complete and choose sequence, and then our avatar has been created. And so there are actually 3 sequences. Now, it's just not separate emails. These are actual campaigns that are full email campaigns. Okay. So let's just say I wanted to use a pre-indoctrination email. Now, you could choose multiple sequences, but I'm just going to choose pre-webinar indoctrination emails. And as you can see, within each campaign, there are actually, within each campaign, different sequences. So this is the webinar workshop invite email. And so I can actually choose all of these, the 72-hour reminder email, the same day webinar invite. I can create an entire webinar sequence if I wanted to. So I'm just going to choose all of these. And here's how simple it is. Email Force created all the scripts for me. So I can have, look at this. This is absolutely, I've never seen the software do this. So you can have your reminder 2 email, your reminder 3 for the workshop, and it filled in all of the questions based on the answers. And here's a editor that you can have. You can actually highlight things, make it a really great and awesome email. Now, we didn't just stop there. Okay. Now, the cool thing that you can do is also you can save this sequence. And what you could do is actually send this sequence, okay, which is really cool, to your autoresponder. So your customers could do this as well. So after they've edited a email sequence based on all of the campaigns, we're going to have over 50 in the front end, and then over 50 in the actual all the OTOs. So what you can do is once you edit something as the different sequences, you could choose something like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, connect the API to it, and you can automatically send those sequences to your autoresponder, which is really cool. So you can see how simple this is. This is absolutely going to be game changing because we're going to have, things like story emails. We're going to have things like, high ticket email sequences. And this is the reason why a lot of sales funnels don't work, because a lot of people don't have those email sequences that they need. So make sure that you promote Email Force. This is absolutely going to be a game changer, and I look forward to it changing your bank account and also changing the lives of your subscribers. We'll see you in October.